greatest adventure is what lies ahead. Today and tomorrow are yet to be said. The chances, the changes are all yours to make. The mold of your life is in your hands to break. How do you move on? You move on when your heart fully understands that there is no turning back. It is not the strength of the body that counts, but the strength of the spirit. True education is kind of a never-ending story, a matter of continual beginnings, of habitual fresh starts, of persistent newness. Living by faith includes the call to something greater than cowardly self-preservation. There is something good in this world, and it's worth fighting for. A single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities. If more of us valued food and cheer and song above hoarded gold, it would be a merrier world. If you don't know where you're going, you'll wind up somewhere else. Not all those who wander are lost. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given us. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to stimulate your mind. Stimulate other minds by commenting, liking, and sharing.